So we're going
I'm
to
not
be
measuring.
making, what are we making again?
Spelt flatbread.
Flatbread, okay.
I know the measurement, so that is 1 cup of flour.
Okay.
Without having the cup.
What kind of flour is
That's
this?
spelt flour.
Okay.
Because I'm alkaline, so I use that.
Okay.
With that, we're going to have some salt.
So sea salt. Let's look at the sea salt. Can I look at it?
Yeah, already.
No, this is a different video. Thank you.
You're going to send it to me.
Okay, I'll send you the link here.
Okay, so you're going to add some sea salt. I'm not going to use my hand, but I could use my hand.
Okay.
I have to later on. Then I don't want all my fingers to get dirty. So that's 1 cup of flour.
With the sea salt.
With the sea salt. Now this is callaloo. I'll put it as spinach. I boil the spinach with a little bit of onions in there and some salt.
Okay.
And I blend it, and I'm using it to mix the flour.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's how we get it green. Now we need some more. This is not enough.
Okay.
So it's like a spinach flatbread. It's a spinach flatbread.
Okay.
I might use this spoon because it can be very nice. It looks like I add too much work, but it doesn't matter. You're just gonna get more bread. That's eyeballing with that one, but I still need flour to mill the bread. This flour is very sticky. You don't have to keep adding flour because it's like elastic.
Okay.
It's very sticky. So I'm using this spoon because I don't want all my fingers to get into it. So now I'm going to use. Still need a bit of flour because it's sticky.
Okay.
Now, get the polish. This time I have to use a spoon to go in. Oh, I have some in that thing there. The who's cook can tell you to move their hands like that. No? Now we are folding it.
Okay.
So give it a body because it's still sticky. It's very sticky. I'll show you.
Okay,
it's
so you need it until it's not sticky.
It's not. No, it still remains sticky, but you don't go too hard with it.
Okay.
Like when you're making dumpling. See? See it?
Okay.
If I give it more flour, it will be too hard because I have to add flour when I am doing it. I may have to leave it to stand for 5 minutes.
Okay.
See, your hands stay greasy. Okay, just dry my hand a bit. Sticky, it's supposed to be sticky.
Okay.
See, gluey. I'll open it so I can my hand again. I got my hand all sticky again. The flour stop it from being sticky. So. Trying to pick up the last bit of flour. That's it. I'm going to leave it for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
It's not for rising, but and I'm going to show you how to turn the pan into.
Okay, so we've got a stainless steel pan now.
That should have been covered with a towel, but I didn't put it covered. Anyway. Okay. That's the stainless steel pan. Now we're going to heat that pan up to turn it into
a non-stick.
Non-stick pan.
Okay.
Now it's on the fire. I'm going to take my tissue because it will be very hot to stop the bread from sticking.
Okay, so you're going to heat the stainless steel pan to very high heat So what gas mark are you? Do you
Oh,
have
I
it
don't
on now?
know. Don't have number
Is
3.
it on,
Just
is it on
high,
the low, on the middle, or the high?
medium.
It's on medium high.
Yeah. I don't know how many minutes and how many hours. But
Okay, so you just heat it until it's very hot. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is to stop the flatbread from sticking.
That's to help the pan. Turn the pan into non-stick.
Okay.
Pan is going to be non-stick pan.
All right.
It's not hot. So I may have to put it a bit higher. Try to do it quick. Usually I leave it on low and do something else, but it's a quick video, so you need to. Don't do that.
So the do not put your hand in the pan.
That's an expert. Don't do that.
Okay. Leave that for the experts. So you're going to use the water to do a heat test.
Yes.
So you're going to sprinkle water to see if it bubbles.
No, it's going to be like a pearl.
Yeah, to form pearls.
You'll see it. You'll see it.
And then
I don't
that's
know how
on
to
the
call
top.
it.
Yeah. Okay.
So I just want to test it to see if it's hot. It's not hot. Yeah, it's not hot enough.
Okay.
It's because the water disappeared. The water has to go all the way around.
Yeah, roll around it. Okay, got it. That's the same thing with a salad mustard ball.
You have to do that to it.
Yeah, once you do that, it will give you those pearls of water bubbling around the top.
Still not hot, so I'm going to put it fully high because it's sticking long. Usually I don't put it fully high because I just leave it and do something else. That's it.
That's it. It's hot now.
Now you got to put it off the fire.
Okay.
I'm doing all the side. Okay, so my fire is going to be medium.
So turn back the fire to me.
I kind of give it a while. Now we're going to make the bread. So I've got a special bun for my bread. So much things across there will be. You having all these pictures in there? Are you? Are these all pictures in there?
No.
Oh, I'm saying all these things that sit in there. Oh, this is a rolling pin. Look at it. I bought this the other day for my kimbap fufu. Like pizza. Okay. And we're going to do some of this. So I'm going to need some flour in my hand because it's very sticky. So grab it. It should have been. So now you want to see that anyway. Just so I can catch it because I don't want it sticky in my hand. So I'm going to make a 3 portion out of that.
Okay.
So I don't want it sticky in my hand. So I'm going to roll it into a bowl. I rest it there. And the next one. I have that one's bigger. But you know, first of this nice will be. This is nice. Put it with pepper. Okay, very good. So, I'm pressing firmly, not so hard.
Okay.
So you tear the bread. Now it's going to stretch. I'm making small ones. Making it thin, not too thick, and not too thin.
Okay.
Medium roll. When you find it sticking, you just add flour to it. So to stop the stickiness, it can get even bigger.
Okay.
See, so when it sticks like this, you add some more flour. I try to make a circle, but it never comes out in a circle. But when I'm eating it, it becomes a circle. Right, so to get the excess flour out of it now, I'll divide. Just to get the excess. Well, that's how the Indian does the chapati. This is the same method as roti, flat bread, all of that.
Okay.
So now it's it's good to have two ones in the wash. It's good to have two. So while this one is on, I'm gonna get myself ready for the other one.
Is the oven on? Stove on? Okay, it's on.
On medium because we don't want it burning.
All right.
If it takes too long, that means the pan is not hot enough. Because I have to turn it. So, but not every time I use it, turn it into this, because sometimes I use it every day, so
okay.
I don't always do the test. I'll show you the omelette again when I done the difference between the omelette and I do the on the other pan that's in there.
Okay.
He won't have to come buy egg now. He eats 6 eggs a day. You see, when it starts turning a little bit brown, see, it's got a little color. Then we turn it. No, it's too cold. The pan is too cold. It should have color. If I turn it over now, it should bubble up. Sometimes they bubble up. Sometimes.
Okay.
You can see I'm not good in rolling a square, but the one is not the rolling, not the square to look for, is it flavor. It is. So now we want, it should rise, but sometimes it bubble up, sometimes it don't. I put a little bit more fire because my pan is not hot enough. But when you come to the second, third, and fourth, you have to go slow. Let's see the color of it. You won't see the color showing in that one, so you have to see the difference.
Yes, yeah.
See, it's coming up, it's cooking, so probably it rise. Let's see if it will bubbles. Sometimes it does. Sometimes I get big bubbles. It does bubbles. It's standing there. It's bubbly. It's bubbly. I keep flipping it over and change it around. That is again there. Can do 3 because if they come out different as the pan gets hotter, the first one might take longer to cook.
Okay.
2 seconds, you have to keep flapping it so it's changing. So all these bits there is the flour, so I have to clean it with the thing, otherwise. That's how it's supposed to cook, like this one. There's a brown bit on top like that. This bit is not cooked, see? It's still green. So I flip it again. It's getting a bit too hot now, so you can see the flour is getting brown there.
Yeah.
And it's getting hot now. Sometimes if it's too hot, it will come up crispy and you don't want it crispy. So I usually use a towel, but I don't use a towel. I use a towel afterwards. To wrap it in.
Okay, that's parchment paper.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where did I put it in? Here's the flap. Oh, this is cooked now. This is getting overcooked. The fire might be too hot. Now I have to use the tissue and get rid of the excess flour that's in there.
Okay.
So you burn it just a bit too high. Now we're gonna put the next one in. It looks different as they're cooking. Just that one, and you get 1, 2, 3 more. After that, no more filling, just film free. You do in my hand? See if I get a round one. You see the color changing?
Yeah.
And it's hot, and that's just on medium. The habit of using my hand is very rare. I can use this to do that. So I'm going to change it. It's got color now because it's hotter than the first one.
So how long have you been making flatbread?
3 years now.
3 years.
Come up to 3.5 years. February is 4th year. Oh yes, 4 years. Once is 4 years.
Wow.
Once is 4 years. When Lauren's 12 we start doing that. I've been selling alkaline fruit for. I used to sell alkaline fruit. This is alkaline.
Okay,
And vegan.
This specific flatbread is vegan and alkaline.
All the yodorcon collagen. All those who are in the cow's food class.
Okay.
Vegans and vegetarian, they all do it.
Okay.
But the Indian call it roti, but not that flour. They use another flour.
Okay.
I was looking for a hot pot and not getting one today. It's cooked because it's got that color. It's cooked.
Okay. So just
You don't want to overdo it. So
yeah.
now we get the excess flour out again. How many do you want?
This is fine.
It should be 2 each, innit?
No, it's
for
fine.
you. 2 for real.
It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
So I don't eat that much anyway. So I just eat.
What are you
very
gonna
little.
put with it?
I don't know. I'll just see what William puts in the middle of it. I'll tell him to
Anything, you can put
surprise me.
salad. You can put the mushroom. If you're going to eat it tonight, with
I
the
have
mushroom,
salmon, so I might be able to put salmon in the
you
middle
just make the salmon like I just did.
Yeah,
with the way I cook the mushroom.
with the creamy cheese. Yeah.
Yeah, and just put if you have leaves, lettuce, tomatoes. It's nice.
Cool.
It's not green and brown yet, so I'm going to change it now. It's changing color.
Okay.
You see?
Yeah.
Just when it's hot, it does too. I have to make the rest because I need some for tonight.
This is very nice.
This is nice. This is spinach flatbread.
Yeah. Which makes it even more healthy.
Mind this.
Thank you.
Yeah. So all my flatbread has something in it. I do potato, squash, butternut squash flatbread, avocado bread. I must give you that one. It's too late now. I'm going to do it.
Okay.
I'm going to show you how to make avocado bread. You can take that one. Okay, that's done. I'm going to show you how to make. I got a piece of avocado.
Okay. So the flatbread we just made now is a spinach flatbread, which is vegan friendly. And what was the other one you said?
Alkaline, please.
Alkaline friendly. Sorry, not vegan friendly. All right. So we're going to make another type of bread. This is with avocado
Flatbread.
flatbread. So watch out for the next one.